Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. So on today's agenda, I am going through all of my designs. I actually created a handy dandy notebook with all of my designs that I'm currently that I decided to keep. And I told you I had 32 last vlog. Now I have like 38, 39. I think I just need to stop. But I just want to give you guys multiple options. But yeah, I have a lot of designs, and this is like my check off list that I have for all of my designs, just to make sure I have all the mock-ups and everything on the website. Yeah, they're all super cute, and I'm currently working on my mock-ups for my color changing mugs, my tumblers, and my glass cups. And I'll be uploading those mock-ups as soon as I'm done. And then I'm still working on the bookmarks, the coasters. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm working on. Okay, so I only had like a few of these color changing mugs, and I pretty much utilized all of them for Mother's Day. So I don't have one to actually show you in person. I will be probably doing another video to kind of show you the process of me sublimating one of these color changing mugs. But this is the mock-up that I created. The mug is originally black, but then if I hit play, it's gonna reveal the design like that. So I was able to find a video on Mother's Day that my dad recorded of me actually pouring hot water into these color morphing or color changing mugs, and then it revealed the sublimation that I actually put on this mug, and it was like best mom ever, and it had mom nutritional facts. It came out super cute. Like, again, my mom loved it and my mother-in-law loved it. They posted on Facebook and all their social medias. They can't wait for me to launch this. Okay, back to the video. Through each design that I currently have, and it's going to reveal it. I think these color changing mugs are so freaking cute. My mother-in-law and my mom loved it. When I say they loved it, they put it all over social media. They loved it. They was like, when are you going to put them on your website so I can kind of, let everybody know? And I said, well, I made them a specific Mother's Day mug, and I told them I'm not going to be doing like custom mugs. I'm only going to do the mugs and the tumblers in my design. So I thought about, Smith Signature Prints being like a custom type of business, but I just want to be able to be creative in my own self. So I don't want to have to be like catering to someone's customization. Not yet. I'm just not ready for that yet. I just want to be creative right now. So that is the video that I created. I should actually upload this on Etsy. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will probably like pay for this particular mock-up. And then I also have a photo mock-up. Now this mock-up I got off of Creative Fabrica. And this one just from Canva. But yeah, I just feel like it should have a video and then 2 pictures. Now I want to say that I made a tumbler, and I also will be doing cell phone cases of the designs as well. I have to do those mock-ups next. I also will be doing notepads, little memo pads of the designs. This one's called Sweet Scribbles. But that design, I have to look for it. Y'all, I have so many freaking designs. Y'all probably like, girl, when you gonna stop? Never. Okay, so yes, this one's called Whimsy Doodle Bloom. This is really cute. And then I'm gonna print out. Now I will be making these notepads. I may outsource if I get a lot of orders for like notepads and sticky notes. But for now, like I said, I want to learn how to make each individual item myself. Now, if later on I get all these orders, I can't keep up with demand, I will outsource these. But I want to do this myself, okay? I want to go through the whole small business journey, or the whole small business experience. But that's the memo pad. And let me see. I want to say I have a tumbler mock-up. Where is it? I know maybe I didn't save it. This is the cup wraps, the glass cups. This is my table of content. I don't see it. I think I might not have saved it. Okay, so give me a second. Let me create like a mock-up for you guys on how it would look on a 20-ounce tumbler. So this is the mock-up that I chose off of Creative Fabrica. I always like to show these things to you guys because some of these things I don't make myself. I actually outsource them or download them from this particular website. I will have it linked in the description box below. It's actually, the link is in every single of my videos. So let me just open up this folder so I can show you guys how I'm going to mock this up. Where did it go? There it is. So I'm going to just move this over to my cup mock-up so I don't lose it. And okay, we're going to click on this, and we need the PNG version. There we go. And we're going to, before I set this as a background, let me grab one of my designs so you guys can get a better idea. Let's choose, this one's called Self-Care. So I'm gonna use my self-care design, and it has like bathtubs and coffee, and then, you know, face rollers, nail polish, you know, girly girl. So I'm gonna send this to the back. Then I'm gonna see if I can make this. Okay, so if I do, let me go back and detach and just drag it out. I apologize, you guys, my dogs. It seems like every time I record, they just, it's probably because my husband's out there trying to feed them and they see him with the food, and you know how dogs get. Let me hit position and layers and make this really, I say a good size. Oh yeah, that's pretty right there. And then let me just duplicate and bring this behind it. But let's put it around here. That is so freaking cute. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let me delete this. Let's pick another design. Yes, I love doing this stuff, you guys. Oh, let's do the coffee cups. Let's do the coffee cups. This is like my favorite. Yeah, I keep saying all of them my favorite. They all are all my favorite. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's do some more. Let's move you behind. And let's bring you down around here. Let's do here. Let's go down just a little bit. Might have to, but isn't that freaking cute? I love it. It's just like, even though this is not physically in my hands, seeing the mock-up on my computer, it's slowly bringing it to life. Okay, so again, I have like multiple designs I have to go through, and yeah. Now, one thing that I did finish is all of my coasters. I have them up now. My bracelets used to be up on the pegboard, but I'm going to use these for my coasters, and I'm still trying to create my bookmark backings to kind of insert my bookmark ends for marketing purposes and branding purposes. But these are all of the bookmarks. Some of them, like I said in my last video, I was going to make an oopsie bag for all the imperfection items. Let me see. So this is my imperfection bin right here. Some of these came out. I know this one, to the naked eye, you probably like, oh, this is really cute. This will be discounted because I feel like it should have been a little darker. Maybe I didn't add enough pressure. When you're sublimating, pressure is key. Okay. It seems a little lighter than the rest of them up there. All of these bookmarks, some are sublimated, some are still matte. I didn't upscale these, so the pixels on them still may look a little distorted compared to these look much sharper. So these will be in my oopsie bag. Like I said, nothing in my oopsie bags will be to a point where you can't utilize them or use them. They're just not to my liking. So I will be having these, and then once these are like sold out, they're sold out. That's it, you know, because they're oopsies. I'm not going to be oopsing on purpose. So, you know, I have like my mystery bags on my website. They're like $15. I may do a mystery bookmark bag for around $10 for 5 of them, 5 bookmarks for $10 or something like that. And it will be a mixture between laminated bookmarks and matte bookmarks, but you will not have the same bookmark in the bag. It will be like assorted. But once these are out, they are going to be out. If I do have more oopsies or something of that nature, I will be adding them to a specific tab on my website so you guys can kind of look, or I could put it under a clearance tab, but I'll probably name it oopsies clearance or something, you know, something cute, something different. What else have I been working on? I'm still contemplating, but these are all the bookmarks that I started off with, or magnetic bookmarks I started off with when I started my business. Now, these have nothing to do with my design, so I may put these in my mystery bags and take these off of my website. I don't know. What do you guys think? I've sold a few of these because these used to be full, but now a few of them are empty. Or maybe I should just keep them on just to keep them on. I don't know. But I just want my website to be very uniform, so I'm not entirely sure. God, I'm about to freaking die over a toy. You heard it? Jesus. Okay, so my sales map, I only have 6 states on here. So of course I have a lot more states to fill up. So if you are watching this video and you have not purchased from me and you do see your state available, don't miss out, because I do be sending out free gifts to the first person within their state. I'm still going to do that just for my personal small business goal. But yeah. And I also thought about selling these silicone keychains, but just mock them up with something like this and maybe to match the keychain. I love these. Instead of like having the, and now I love the beaded wristlets too that I make. So I'm going to take my time and figure it out. But these are really cute and very sturdy, very thick. I like them. I like these. These are cute. I'm putting these up here because these are mine. These will not be on my website until I actually buy a batch of that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to these mock-ups. All right, so I finished all of the mock-ups for the color changing mugs. I have not finished the mock-up for the 20-ounce tumblers yet, and I'm currently working on that and my cell phone mock-ups. I know you guys are waiting for these bundles. Trust me, I'm ready for these bundles to be on my website for you guys to enjoy them. I should be actually providing you guys with some like visual mock-ups like in hand probably within a week or so of everything, like the cell phone cases, the cups, the tumblers, everything. At least an example. There are, like I said, a lot of designs, so I'm not going to have like all 38 inventory. I probably do it per order, but I at least do like at least 10 of them that I really like, so you guys can get a visual of what the bundle would look like if you were to purchase it. But thank you again so much for watching my small business vlog. I'll catch you guys on the next one.